To inspect and adjust the parking brake on your Ranger 150, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Place the transmission in neutral and ensure the parking brake is not set. Carefully elevate the rear of the vehicle with an appropriate lift. On the right side rear caliper, loosen the jam nut on the parking brake adjustment bolt. While rotating the rear wheels by hand, tighten the adjustment bolt until significant brake drag is detected. Then loosen the adjustment bolt a quarter turn. Hold the adjustment bolt in place and tighten the jam nut securely against the lever arm. Check the parking brake lever movement. Verify that the rear wheels rotate freely without the parking brake applied, and that the vehicle will not move when the parking brake is set. Verify that the parking brake lever stays in the up position when the brake is fully applied. To measure brake cable freeplay, first ensure the parking brake lever is in the down position. Pull the brake cable back to inspect freeplay between the cable end and the caliper bracket. To adjust freeplay, loosen the jam nut. Turn the inline adjuster nut outward to decrease freeplay and inward to increase freeplay. Tighten the jam nut against the adjuster nut and recheck freeplay. Finally, safely lower the vehicle. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.